cooperation. As soon as the Holy Prophet, along with his followers, descended from their horses and unloaded the cargo, they all decided to slaughter a sheep and prepare it for food. "I'll take care of the slaughtering. Skinning is with me. I'll do the cooking, and I'll be dividing the food among members of the caravan. I too will collect firewood for cooking food. But you should not trouble yourself, O Messenger of God. You just rest. I know you will be able to do all this, but God despises a person who considers himself superior to others."